Cooking apa?
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. I'm going to steam some little fish here, but it is very sweet. This is called wild horse mackerel, yeah? 文中鱼. You should go and try if you can get it. Seriously, it's a very small fish, but it is very sweet and tender, especially once you steam it. So today I'm going to steam it, after which I'm going to make a very nice appetizing sauce to go with it. I will show you how to do that sauce later. First of all, let's go and steam the fish. Of course, after you clean the fish, you make few slits on the fish body, on the sides, and we shall give it a little bit of fine salt on top, and put on top some ginger or spring onion. Then we can send it to the steamer. While waiting for my steamer to heat up, let's look at what we need to make the sauce. I have some salted black bean, minced, or you can coarsely chop. I have some taoju, also coarsely chop. This taoju is also called fermented soya bean. Yeah. Then we have some minced garlic, some ginger slice, and also chili padi. Put all this together with some light soya sauce. Well, you will love it, trust me. Once you have preheated your steamer to above 100 degrees Celsius, we can actually carefully put in the fish. And let it steam between 6 to 8 minutes. Yeah. Let's make the steamed fish sauce. Actually, Appa has always tried to show you all how to make some very simple steamed fish sauce. You don't really need to buy steamed fish sauce outside. So let's give it some oil. Oh, oops, I accidentally put in some light soya sauce. Never mind. Then you want to saute your ginger, whatever you cut just now. Ginger, garlic. Oh, immediately you can smell all the very nice flavor and aroma. Sorry, not flavor, but aroma. For those who don't mind taking salted fish, you can actually even put in a bit of salted fish here if you like. Always good to saute anything fermented, yeah? Because we are using two kinds of fermented beans here, the salted black bean and also fermented soya bean. This saute process will actually help to remove some the earthiness of the fermented ingredient, should there be any. Then after which we can add in some water. Wow, I love the smell of it. I'm going to give you a little bit of my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder made with 100% natural ingredient. If you don't have it, it's optional. If you want to buy it, you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. A little bit of salt, a bit of light soya sauce, some sugar to balance with, yeah. Few dashes of white pepper. It's basically done. That's how simple it is to make some very appetizing steamed fish sauce. This is one type of it. This is after about 8 minutes. Just finished. I'm going to open the cover. Wow, look at all the steam. Wow, the fish looks really good. Look at this. Whoa, very nice. Very nice, isn't it? Right, just taken out from the steamer, and you can see some steamed fish water. All this steamed fish water is the source of fishiness. I will remove the steamed fish water. Just throw it off. All right, after removing the steamed fish water, we can actually bundle it with the steamed fish sauce. Oh, wow, this will actually goes very well with white rice and also white porridge. All right. You can put some fresh coriander on top if you have. Yeah, Appa run out of my fresh coriander just I think died off. Too dry. Okay, so I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Enjoy your dinner with your family. Bye bye.